Hey guys, today we are going to talk about multiplication using the box method. Okay, so the box method basically just helps us break down the multiplication problem into partial products. So for example, let's say I did 32 times 53, right? So you're going to draw boxes. So essentially I have 4 numbers, so I need 4 boxes. And then you're basically going to break down each number into expanded form. So the 32 would be 3 tens, which is 30, and 2 ones, just like that. 53 would be 5 tens, which is 50, and 3 ones. So like that. Okay, and it doesn't matter if you do the 50 and the 3 here or the 30 and the 2 here, because in the end you'll get the same partial products. I usually just like to go with this axis and then go down vertically. Okay, so the equation I would do for this box involves the numbers 50 and 30. So my equation is going to be 50 times 30. I know that 5 times 3 is 15, and then I need to add 2 zeros, okay? The equation I have here is 50 times 2. 50 times 2. I know that 5 times 2 is 10, and I need to add the extra 0, so 100. This box here, my equation is going to be 3 times 30. And again, it doesn't matter if you do 30 times 3 or 3 times 30, you're going to get the same partial product. 3 times 3 is 9, and then you add the 1 0, so you get 90. Last but not least is 3 times 2, which is 5. So now you have all of these partial products. So we have 1,500, 100, 90, and 5, right? So you're going to come over here and you're going to add up all these partial products to get your final product, which would be your answer for this equation. And really important when you are adding up all of your partial products is that I like to put them in order from greatest to least and make sure you're lining up all your place values correctly. Sometimes if you write too small, you might not be able to see your numbers. So I like to write a little bit bigger and put one number, take up the whole space on your paper. So my ones place value would be 5, 9, 6, and 1. So my final product for 32 times 53 is going to be 1,695. Okay, let's do another number using partial products. We will do 5 times 637. Okay, so I know that I'm going to need 3 boxes across and 1 box down. So here's my boxes. So I'll put my 5 here, and then you're basically going to take this number and write it in expanded form. So we have 630 and 7. Okay, your equation here is going to be 5 times 600. I know that 5 times 6 is 30, and I add 2 zeros. Your equation here is going to be 5 times 30. 5 times 3 is 15, and I add 1 0. And then your last equation here is going to be 5 times 7, which is 35. So then you're going to circle all of your partial products. And then where you have room on your paper, you're going to add them all up. So we have 3,000, 150, and 35. So our final answer for 5 times 637 would be 3,185. Okay? sometimes you will get a question that will show you a multiplication equation. Let's do 36 times 25, right? And it'll show you the boxes, and it'll ask you to only find the partial products, right? It won't ask you to find the answer. It just wants to know that you can find the partial products. So for example, this would be 30, this would be 6, this would be 20, and this would be 5. So the partial products that you would add together to get your final answer would be 20 times 30, 20 times 6, 5 times 30, and 5 times 6. So it's going to look something like this. This may look familiar from a few weeks back. We have 20 times 30 plus 20 times 6 plus 5 times 30 plus 5 times 6. Okay? It's the same way of doing it, but just another different strategy. So 2 times 3 is 6, and we add our 2 zeros. 2 times 6 is 12, and we add our 1 0. 5 times 3 is 15, and we add 1 0. And then 5 times 6 is 30. So then you would take all of these partial products, that's the word, and add them up. So we have 600. We have 120, 150, and 30. So 5 and 3 is 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to regroup. 6 and 1 is 7, 8, 9. So 36 times 25 would be 900. That would be your final product. Okay? I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please remember to always show your work. Take your time and write a little bit bigger so you can make sure you see all of your numbers. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a great day.